Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can open YouTube from your Chrome browser in your Android phone. So it's very easy, just be with me. First of all, you need to have an Android phone. As you can see, I'm using an Android phone to show you guys how you can open YouTube on Chrome. And from here, go to Chrome browser, and by clicking on the Chrome browser, this home page of Chrome browser will open. And basically, there are many processes through which you can open YouTube. The first process is write down youtube.com, and it will take you to the YouTube official homepage of YouTube. And as you can see, the desktop version of YouTube is turned on. So if I want to turn on or turn off, this is the process through which you can do it. If you click on the right hand side corner, there's 3 buttons here. Click on that, and if you click it off, the mobile version of YouTube comes. Okay, and if you turn on, then the desktop version of YouTube come. So this is one of the process. Or if you like search once in the search option, a similar searching suggestion will come below the search option. Here, if you click on YouTube, and it will automatically take you to the YouTube homepage. So it is one of the this is the second process through which you can open YouTube on Chrome. Another process is like you can save bookmarks and search. You can give a voice message, like you can give voice message and you can open YouTube on your Chrome. So this is some of the process through which you can open YouTube on Chrome from your Android phone. It's very easy. And if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, do like this video as well. And if you find any problem solving this issue on your phone, then do let us know in the comment section. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.